Today, I'll be sharing my full review of the QUITTR app, which has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Interestingly, there are actually two different QUITTR apps floating around, one designed to help users quit pornography, and another focused on smoking cessation, and both have sparked mixed to negative reactions. Let's start with the Quit Porn Now version. At first glance, it looks promising. It offers a personalized quit plan, motivational tools, and psychological support. However, according to many users, the app fails to deliver on its core function, blocking adult content. Numerous reviews mention that the blocking feature either doesn't work or only operates through a weak browser extension. Another big issue is the aggressive monetization. While the onboarding feels professional and inspiring, users quickly hit a paywall. Subscriptions are required to access most features, and some even reported paying for a lifetime subscription that never activated. Attempts to get refunds were often unsuccessful. Others also complained that the app made it difficult to cancel subscriptions, calling the experience overpriced and deceptive. That said, the app's onboarding design with its data-driven quit plan is one of the few things that users praised. Unfortunately, the rest of the experience just doesn't live up to the marketing promises. Now for the second QUITTR app, the one aimed at quitting smoking. It was even part of a 2020 scientific study that tested its gamified approach, turning quitting into a city-building game. While people found it fun and engaging, research showed that the game distracted users from their actual quit goals, resulting in no improved quit rates. In short, whether it's the porn version or the smoking version, QUITTR doesn't quite deliver. There are better, more reliable apps out there for both quitting support and accountability. Thank you for watching this video.